And we marked this one. Make sure your slot is straight. Alright, now we start driving it. Turn every time. Never hit more than once when you're driving a punch. If you ever watch what happens if you hit more than once, the hole will shadow up, and that means your punch is heating up too. So you don't want to do that. If you get it out, it won't heat up so much. Okay, I'm going to hit one more time, but we're going to go back in. If it sticks, well, I was going to show you something. Cool your punch off if it sticks, and we'll heat it back up. Another thing is I hover my punch. You don't stick your punch in, or you shouldn't, because that would give contact and heat up your punch too. And you can see in the hole, or I can, that every hit heats that up instead of cools it off, which would happen if you keep hitting, you know. I can also see the bottom where it's a little bit shadowy. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it over, and we have a punch mark on this side, so make it straight right off the bat. There we go. And you'll start to see or feel and hear the plug start to fall. And once it sticks, that's also an indicator. And I'm going to look for air on both sides. I'll go ahead and keep turning. But if it sticks again, I'll let them hit more than once. When you're driving out a plug, don't do that when you're driving a punch into material. And try and have them do some nice shearing blows. Okay, I'm going to stay on that side, and if it sticks again, I'll let them hit it more than once. I see air on both sides. Alright, hit. What are you doing? Aren't you paying attention? There you go. 3 times, get it off. You can see the plug hanging on in there. I'm going to cool my punch. And you know, you can, you see it's hanging mostly from one little corner right there on the far side nearest the camera there. See it? Yep. So we're home free. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing. Alright. It's still hanging just on a little bit.
Tilt it up more.
So you can see here, you can see it, the distance I have. I can go ahead and keep driving that. That plug will protect my anvil. It may not come off because of that. It's holding onto that one side. There it is. There's the plug. So, there's the hole.
Okay.